Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check if you have a second-hand iPhone. And here's how it is done. Go to your iPhone's home screen and tap on Settings. Scroll down and select General. In the General Settings, tap About. This page contains essential details about your iPhone, including the model number. Look at the model number. The first letter of your iPhone's model number can indicate if it is new, refurbished, or a replacement. M. New device purchased from Apple. F. Refurbished device by Apple. N. Replacement device from Apple. P. Personalized, customized with engraving. If the model number starts with F, your iPhone is likely refurbished. Alternatively, you can check its battery health. In Settings, scroll down and select Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. This indicates the battery health compared to when the iPhone was new. For a new phone, it should be close to 100%. If the number is lower, it might mean the phone has been used for some time. That is everything you need to know about how to check if you have a second-hand iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.